Hey pilgrims, here we are. Alfonse looking pretty amazing. Thought I'd do a really quick video because I don't think I've done any videos since it's been painted. Been very slack. Some would say slack, some would say extremely busy, which we have been. So it's an absolute stunning colour of red. It's looking very nice. We're just getting it ready to take it back into Brisbane to Classicfix to put back together. And yeah, that's sort of super happy with that. There we go. It's looking very nice. So yeah, paint job done, cut and polish, quite the process there, but all worth it because it's looking so nice. And we've had not a drama with the bonnet, but we decided that we're going to repaint the bonnet. So we're going to just put this, basically take this in because all the motors, everything's got to be fitted out, wiring, motor, the whole bit. Bonnet's probably going to be in the road anyway, so it won't hurt if we don't drop that in till next week or whenever. So yeah, it's looking very nice, but very poor lighting for this video. But I just thought I'd give you a quick rundown so you see it before it goes in. And now we've just got to get it up the hill because the wet grass does the work ute no favours. It's only 2-wheel drive, so borrow Casey's car to get it up the hill onto the trailer. And into Brisbane we go. She's going to get to Sanford completely saturated and probably dirty, but that's okay. We've put the polish on it, it's all protected, so it's good to go. Alrighty, out for now.